Hey boos, I've got an Oreo pound cake on deck for y'all. Whether you say Oreos or cookies and cream, this one is a hit, okay? It alternates vanilla and chocolate batters into this smooth, gorgeous swirled delicacy, all right? And then of course we gotta add in those Oreos for texture, and then the whole thing is finished off with a cream cheese icing, which is to die for, all right? Y'all are gonna love this cake. For the chocolate lovers, for the Oreo lovers, for the cookies and cream lovers, whatever y'all love, this cake is it. Let me show you how to make it. Booze. Add your butter to the mixer and let it get nice and smooth. Now, pour in that sugar and cream it together until it's light, fluffy, and just right. Next, add your eggs along with your flour mixture, but remember, booze, don't overmix that batter. Now we're going to bring in the sour cream and a splash of vanilla extract and let it blend together real smooth. Take a little bit of that batter and add it to a separate bowl. Then stir in your cocoa mixture and mix it up well. Now we're going to fold crushed Oreos into the rest of that vanilla cake batter, nice and gentle. Scoop some of the Oreo batter into your pan, then a scoop of the cocoa batter, and keep layering like that until all the batter is gone, booze. Slide it in the oven at 325 for about 55 to 65 minutes, or even up to 75, because some of these ovens be acting real different. But just make sure you check on your cake. Now look at that beautiful work of art. To finish it off, we're gonna spread some of that cream cheese icing that you can find on the website and sprinkle the rest of those Oreos right on top. And look at that swirl, y'all. And those cookies running through that cake. Booze, it truly don't get no better than this. Make sure you save this recipe right here. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's get into this bite, okay? That is so good. I love how you get a hint of the chocolate batter and then you get a hint of the vanilla and you even get a little bit of that texture from the Oreo. It just all comes together so, so perfectly. Plus it's still dense. It's still got a little Big Mama in it, okay? You modernizing Big Mama out here, all right? For the streets, for the youngins, okay? You bringing it back, all right? Bringing a little old with a little new, you can get into it, okay? Y'all need to make this.